we have to rewrite decimal number as a rational fraction. What this bar above 412 means? It means that these three digits repeat. So this is equal, we can write 5 decimal point 4 1 2 4 1 2 4 1 2, so on. So we can write that this is equal, we can write that this is 5 plus, and next whole part is 412, so we can write that this is 5 plus 0.412 plus, we have this 4 first digits, so next will be every digit which we have, we substitute by 0, so we have 0 decimal point 0 0 0, and we have next 412 plus, we have first 7 digits, so we will substitute these digits by zeros, 2 3 4 5 6, and we have last 3 digits, and so on. So we can rewrite this infinite decimal number to this sum, and now we see that the terms of the series except for the first 4 infinity geometric progression, where first term a1, this is our a1, a2, a3, and so on, is equal 0.412. R will be, we have to calculate R, we have to take two consecutive terms and divide the second one by the first one. So a2, for example, over a1, it will be 0.000412 divided by 0.412. So this is equal 0.01. So we have R, we have first term, and we see that R is less than 1. And we know that when absolute value of R is less than 1, then we have infinite geometric series converges. When we have infinite geometric series converges, then we can calculate the sum by formula that S is equal A1 over 1 minus R. So this is equal, first term A1 is 0.412 over 1 minus R is 0.001. So this is equal 0.412 divided by 0.999. So this is equal, we can change this decimal numbers to fractions. So we have 412 over 1000, and we have in the denominator 999 over 1000. So this is equal, we copy first fraction and change division to multiplication, and we flip the denominator, so it will be 1000 over 999. So now we see that we can reduce 1000, and we have that this is equal 412 over 999. So we calculate the sum of this infinity geometric series. Sum is equal to that number. We cannot forget about this 5. So now we can rewrite that our decimal number 5.412 is equal to 5 plus 412 over 999. So this is equal 5 and 412 over 999. So this is my solution.